Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Mondeo. In this video I'll show you how to manage traffic messages. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Firstly, go to navigation and let's set destination. Now, go to traffic and here you can manage traffic messages. You can check all traffic messages.
The route has been calculated. Please drive onto a digitized road.
You can manage TMC messages relevant to route section and traffic ahead. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.